Rosie's house is a place where its doors are all open for any child that wants to come in and learn how to play an instrument.
Our kids are the backbone of the state, and having a place like Rosie's house that really helps them reach their potential is critical.
The greatest indicator for an American child is the zip code. Rosie's house is helping students to gain access to education, to lessons and mentoring and food and all of these things that are necessary for a child to become successful in life.
Over the years, the music programs have been cut because there's only X amount of money for the schools to work with. What schools didn't understand is students that play a musical instrument, they do much better in school. So taking that away from the kids is like taking away another opportunity for them to excel.
They teach us, they give opportunity to students to learn new instruments, and with that we can apply it to the real world.
Besides music education, Rosie's house does so much for our students. They're learning respect, they're learning teamwork skills, perseverance, skills that they're gonna take on with them after they leave Rosie's house and graduate high school, and that are gonna lead them to success in college and even beyond.
We're not instilling notes and music into these kids, we're really instilling life skills.
Students and families who face adversity are no different in what they are seeking in their lives than any other family. Those families and students just want opportunity. They just want to be able to grow and to fulfill their desires and what they're looking for in their lives.
The More Than Music campaign is a fundraising initiative for Rosie's house that is going to allow us to have our very own permanent building, and it's also going to allow us to expand our program so that we can bring more students in for the opportunity offered at Rosie's house. Our new space is going to include a youth and family center where our families can gather and they can also access a free healthy meal. There's going to be a performance hall, there's a digital music lab, a piano lab, practice rooms, individual private lesson rooms, ensemble rooms. I mean, you name it, this building has it. So this is our performance hall. We're really excited about this space. It is so huge. We will be able to host ensemble classes in here, but then also, have performance opportunities for our students.
We met with an acoustical designer before we even started. There's a lot of aspects to the construction. This whole room was basically designed for acoustics and performances.
Yeah, it's really the heart of our building. This is our Youth and Family Center. This is where students will come check in. Families and peers will be able to hang out, they'll be able to work on homework, and it's really just a community building space. This building is twice the size of the disjointed campus that we have been on for so many years. So there's a lot of opportunity for growth here.
And in this corner of the building, you look down the hall, you can see all the natural light with the solar tubes. And there's a couple other rooms that have kind of a canted wall feature that is just basically going to help with the acoustics of the performance.
This is actually our Digital Creativity Center. All of our digital music classes will be here where our students learn about creating music, using technology, engineering, recording. This back space actually won't be Rosie's house, it's part of our building, but this is an opportunity for us to lease space. This building provides us the opportunity for an earned revenue stream. Well, thanks for coming on this tour with us. Tracy, tell me what your favorite part of this project is.
I look forward to the finished product because this is going to be a special addition to the community.
Definitely. Chase and Tracy have just been so amazing to work with. We feel so lucky to have them a part of our team. We at Rosie's house believe that every child, regardless of the zip code that they're coming from, deserves a point of pride, a place that they can really reach their full potential and flourish, and that's what this is going to be, and we're building it for them, and we're excited to have hundreds of kids in here. We can't wait.